Hello there, I'm Jimmy Vegas, and we are playing an indie game made in Unity by Blake McKinnon Productions. It's on itch.io and it's called Sleigh Bells, but you knew that anyway because of the title of this video. I know it's not Christmas. I know we still have months till Christmas. I know this is probably about as far as you can get from Christmas. But yeah, we're doing this. Sleigh Bells. Says it's a Christmas-themed survival horror game inspired by 80s slasher movies and PS1 horror games. Sounds like it's going to be good then. Try to make your way home on Christmas Eve as you're stalked by an axe-wielding Santa. Okay, so we've got to get home basically. Santa's got an axe. Okay. Who made this game? Well, I think it's a guy called Blake McKinnon. I think. Okay, let's start. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. That's kind of hard to read, actually. I'll tell you what, there's a lot of games lately that have been very pixely. Is it the In Thing or something? Christmas Eve, and I'm still taking my clothes off in this horrible town for money. What? Okay. What do I do? Oh, click. Sorry. I better deliver Billy's Christmas present before it gets too late. I wonder if he remembers what I look like. He hasn't seen me for months. Not since we went to live with his father. Why'd they have to take him from me? I miss my little boy. Oh, that's kind of sad. That makes me feel a little bit sad. Toggle your flashlight. Okay, so F is flashlight. Do you know what? I did notice on the itch.io page that it does have a specific line that says the flashlight does not run out of battery. So some of these games with a flashlight and they run out of battery in 5 minutes. I have never had a flashlight that runs out of battery in 5 minutes. I've never had a battery last so little time. Well, it's interesting. Nice little game, this. Taxi. I've never seen a taxi turn like that. Wire on the minimap points to your current objective. Oh, okay, so the minimap is telling us where to go. Hello. What are you looking at? Down there? So we can run, but our stamina depletes. Am I going the right way? So it's somewhere here. There's a snowman there! Oh! Can I go in this door? No. Here we are. Leave the present here. Better get home. I don't know where home is, to be honest. It's kind of cool. I like how this looks, in all honesty. I think it's quite nice. So it really seems like time and effort has gone into making this, and I think that is very apparent. I wonder what's going on. Okay, I'll have to go through the subway tunnel. It's not that much further. Okay. Well, how do we get to the subway tunnel? Here? Maybe? Ah! That doesn't see... It says subway! It says subway! Let's go! This door looks like it. Okay. Where's this maniac Santa then? Hot sausage. Sorry. Sorry. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas again. Oh, hello. What's happened to you, mate? Ew. Better get out of here. Oh, can't go that way. It's Santa! Where's he going? I've got to stay away from him, haven't I? That's the problem. Because he's trying to kill me, isn't he? Is this where I've just... This isn't where I've just come from, is it? So what's up this way then? Because the arrow is pointing this way. Oh. I need a crowbar. Alright, where am I going to get a crowbar from? Where am I going to get a crowbar? Oh, I've run out of stamina. I didn't realise that. My bad. Where am I going to get a crowbar from then? Oh no, there he is. I don't think he saw me. Can I go on the tracks? I can go on the tracks. I'm not sure if walking on tracks is a good idea. Don't do this at home. Those are some wide tracks. I feel like I'm actually not going anywhere. Am I just going on infinitely or what? Oh. Oh no, I'm at the end. There's nothing here. Wow. It made me walk all that way, and well, it didn't make me walk. I walked all that way, and there was nothing there. Gotta go all the way back now. Right, okay, I'm back. Right. Oh, I've run out of stamina though. I'm not sure where I'm going to get a crowbar from. See, I don't... Oh, hang on, there's a door. Let's go in here. Let's have a look down here. Oh, there's more blood. That's quite grim. He's a police officer as well. He didn't police very well, did he? Ooh. What's through there? Where is... What am I gonna do? Oh, I can punch. Oh, hang on, is that just the other side of that? It is, yeah. I wonder if I can punch... No. That's cool. Huh. It actually reacts to the fact I punched something. Okay, I'm getting kind of lost now, so I'm going to have to be very careful. What's this? Crowbar. Alright. Oh no. Oh! Oh! Oh, that's funny. That is funny. I don't even know how far behind me Santa is, if at all he is behind me. All I heard was ho ho ho. Have I lost him? I think I might have lost him. Oh. It's weirdly quite amusing, this game. I thought Santa might be involved a little bit more than this. Ah! Okay. Nice. It's very clever, this game, I think, in a lot of ways. It's very clever. Right, so we are through. And we're out the subway. Out the subway. I'm guessing there is a lot more to it than that. It's very quiet all of a sudden. I wonder where everyone has gone. Where has everyone gone? Guessing I can't go this way. So I need to get home, but I don't actually know where home is. Oh, ran out of stamina. Right, okay, well, my arrow is pointing... Oh, hello, snowman. This way, so I've got to go through here. Must be this way. Must be. Ooh. Looks damaged, so I might be able to break it down with something. Okay, so... Oh, it's Santa! Santa! He's coming after me! Oh dear. Oh no, he's hit me! Oh! He got me! He got me. Oh. Okay. So, this is quite good. So we're gonna need to find like a hammer or maybe a sledgehammer. I don't know where I'm gonna get one. Oh, this is funny. It's amusing. It's very amusing. So, how does Santa know where I am then? How is that working? Because he's obviously here somewhere. He's spawned here somewhere, hasn't he? He must have done. Okay, there's the axe. That might be what I need to break it down. It was here, wasn't it? Yeah. Oh, but what? An axe isn't good enough. Why? What's the axe for then? Is it to get Santa? Is it to kick Santa's ass? Maybe. Because he was here, the guy with the axe. Right. So... Okay, I can't go that way. Go that way. This way. Well, there's Santa. I wonder if I can creep up behind him and get him. Actually, can I get on top? Come on. Come here, Santa. You're mine. You ain't getting away from me, Santa. I'm having you. Oh, he's gone. There he is. Come here, stop running. Ah, I'm it, Santa. Oh, This is good. Okay, well, I'll leave it there. That was a very intriguing concept. I've got to be honest. That's kind of fun. Like I said earlier, I will leave a link in the description below for you to have a go yourself. Give a thumbs up if you liked it, a thumbs down if you didn't. Let me know in the comments why you didn't like it. I kind of enjoyed that. That was good. So yeah, that was Sleigh Bells. I've been Jimmy Vegas. Guys, thank you so much for watching.